Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Open a browser and go to Images. Google, com to find images. Type specific keywords describing the image and press Enter to search. Use tools to filter size, color, usage rights, and image type. Choose large or exactly 1024 x 768 for higher resolution when needed. Click an image to open the preview panel on the right. Check the source website and license before downloading or inserting. If you need transparent background, choose PNG and confirm dimensions. Download the image to your device using the Download button or right-click Save. Open your Word document and place the cursor where the image should appear. Insert the image via Insert Pictures this device or by dragging into Word. Click the image once to reveal sizing handles and the Picture Format tab. Use the corner handle and drag to resize to exact width like 5 inches for layout consistency. Use the Size dialog to set height and width numerically if needed. Set wrapping to square or tight for precise placement near text. Use Align and Position to center or anchor the image on the page. After inserting an image, add a caption that includes the source and license. Add a caption using references Insert Caption and include source and license information. If the license requires attribution, include the author, website, and year in the caption. Compress images via picture format. Compress pictures to reduce file size before sharing. Choose 150 ppi or 220 ppi depending on print or screen use. Save your document as docx for editing or export to PDF for sharing. Confirm the final file size is under any upload or email limits before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.